Ready to transform your Wix website from bland to grand with stunning visuals. First, let's head into the Wix Editor. Make sure you're on the page where you want to add your image. On the left-hand side, you'll see a plus icon labeled Add. Click on it. This opens up a whole menu of elements you can add to your site. Find and click on Image. This will reveal different options for where you'll get your image from. You can upload your own image by selecting Upload Images and then choosing the file from your computer. Alternatively, you can explore Wix's free stock images or images you've previously uploaded to your My Images library. I'll select Wix Free Images for this tutorial. Let's browse for a suitable image. I will search for the word office. Perfect. I like this one. Click on the image you want to add, and then click the Add to Page button. Now, the image is on your page. You can click and drag it to position it wherever you like. Use the handles on the corners to resize it to fit your design. Clicking on the image reveals even more options. You can add a filter, adjust the brightness, add a link, and much more. Feel free to explore these options to fine-tune the image to your exact preferences. Play around with it and have fun. And that's it. You've successfully added an image to your Wix website. Remember, visuals are key to engaging your audience.